how to share your Wise bank details securely. So using Wise to receive money is fast and easy, but how do you share your bank details securely to make sure the money arrives safely? Well, in this video, I'll show you the safest ways to share your Wise account details and what to include and what to avoid. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, also make sure that your account is verified before receiving the international payments. And here you can simply go to the account tab or balances, and after that you can simply select in which currency that you want to get paid, like USD or EUR. And after that you can just tap on get account details, and Wise will display your local bank information for that currency, like your account number, routing number, or IBAN. And here each currency has its own set of account details. And here, never share your Wise login info, password, or two-factor authentication code. And here, always send your account details through secure and trusted methods like encrypted messaging apps, encrypted emails, or secure payment forums and invoicing platforms. And here, try avoid posting your bank details on public forums and untrusted websites. And in some cases, you can use Wise request link to securely request money. This is especially useful for clients or one-time payments. And this feature is not available in all countries, so check your app for request under the currency balance. And here, before we wrap up, here are a quick few reminders to stay safe. You can use strong password and two-factor authentication. You can keep your device and app updated, and you should never share your Wise login credential, and you should verify who you are sending your details to. And that's it. That's how safely to share your Wise bank details for receiving international payments. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.